Hey y'all, we have our Splendies collab. Splendies was so kind as to send me 3 more pairs. I just know these are gonna be super cute. Y'all, we are going to unbox these. Comes in this pretty packaging. They have a cute little sticker on there. Okay. Y'all, these are so cute. Oh my god, y'all. So we have 3 different pairs. Oh my god. We're gonna try these on. That's why I'm wearing a dress, so it'll be easy to pick up. Oh my god, y'all. These are so cute. Y'all. Super cute. Oh my goodness, we got a black pair. You know I love my black undies. And it's got the lace detail. Super stretchy. Y'all, these are so cute. Oh my god, like psychedelic. We'll be back. Oh, I did not see. These are a thong. Actually, we're not gonna show you the back. But yeah, super cute, y'all. I'll be back. Okay, I definitely want to say these are FUPA approved, y'all. Super cute undies. You know, if I wanted to be regular, I would put them under my FUPA, but like, y'all can't see that yet. All that stomach in the way, oh well. Lift it up. I'm just saying. Okay, on to the next one. You guys, these are also FUPA approved. As you can see, I'm so glad I got these in the 4X, you guys. They're so much more comfy. So if you're about a 26, I would do the 4X. Super cute. Super breathable, super comfy. They have the cotton padding. And what I also noticed about these are that they are seamless, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Like, y'all, the seamless, like, love that. Oh my god, and they feel so smooth. On to the last pair. You guys, I'm so glad I sized up. That's the good thing about Splendies. Whenever you feel like your weight is fluctuating a little, I mean, only up to a 4X, but they are super stretchy. Like, these are definitely very forgiving. Super cute detail on the side. I know you love that. I am in love with Splendies. Like, look. Definitely FUPA friendly. Be serious. Thank you guys for sending me this. Like, I need to find a matching bra. Splendies, please let me know when you have the matching bras to these, because I need those. Thank you so much. That's another bag. Thank you, Splendies. I love you so much.